Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file unemployment benefits. First, ensure you meet your state's eligibility criteria, which often includes being unemployed through no fault of your own and actively seeking work. Next, collect all required documentation, such as your social security number, driver's license, and employment history for the past 18 months. Having these ready will streamline your application process significantly. Finally, find your state's specific unemployment agency website to begin. Once you're on your state's unemployment website, carefully complete the online application. Be precise when entering personal details and your work history, including reasons for separation from your last job. Incorrect information can cause delays. After submitting, you'll typically need to certify for benefits on a regular schedule, usually weekly or bi-weekly, to confirm your continued eligibility and job search efforts. This step is crucial for receiving payments. After submitting your application, there's usually a waiting period, often 1 week, before benefits begin. During this time, your application is reviewed. Be prepared to respond quickly to any requests for more information from the unemployment agency to avoid processing delays. Remember that unemployment benefits are taxable income, so consider setting aside a portion for taxes or having them withheld directly. This helps prevent a large tax bill later. To continue receiving unemployment benefits, you must actively search for new employment and keep a detailed record of your job search activities. If you find any part-time work, report your earnings accurately and promptly to the agency. Failure to do so can result in penalties. Staying informed about your state's specific rules is key to avoiding issues. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.